Welcome to the Sunshine State. If you've served our country and you're looking to plant roots here in Florida, you need to know about the powerful VA loan. The VA loan is one of the most powerful financial tools in real estate, but Florida's market moves fast. We're breaking down the 2026 rules and Florida-only perks. We're covering everything from the $0 down payment to massive property tax savings that could save you thousands every year. Today, our key focus is on those $0 down payments and the property tax secrets that are unique to Florida veterans. First, let's cover the basics of the VA loan. The VA loan is a zero down payment mortgage. Unlike conventional loans, the VA allows you to keep that cash in your pocket. Plus, there is no private mortgage insurance, which is a huge monthly saver. Because the government guarantees the loan, lenders often offer lower interest rates. While the VA has no minimum credit, most lenders look for a score around 620. Now let's talk about the Florida secret weapon, property taxes. Florida loves its veterans, and the benefits here are some of the best in the nation. If you are a Florida resident with a service-connected disability of 10% or more, you qualify for a $5,000 exemption on your property's assessed value. If you are 100% permanent and total disabled, you may be eligible for a full property tax exemption. This means zero property taxes, which is like getting a $600 to $800 discount on your mortgage payment every month. VA loans are no money down, but they aren't no money at all. Let's look at the remaining costs and how to get them waived. You still have closing costs, like appraisals, title insurance, and taxes. In Florida, expect these to be around 3 to 5% of the loan amount. There is a one-time VA funding fee, but pro tip, if you receive any percentage of VA disability compensation, that funding fee is usually waived entirely, saving you thousands up front. Florida has unique minimum property requirements, or MPRs. The VA wants to ensure the home is safe, sound, and sanitary. In our humid climate, VA appraisers look closely at the roof and termites. A wood-destroying insect inspection is almost always required in Florida. If the roof has less than 2 to 3 years of life left, the VA might require a replacement. Don't let this scare you. It actually protects you from buying a money pit. A common question is whether you can rent the house out. Let's clarify the rules for occupancy and investment use. The VA loan is strictly for primary residences. You or your spouse must intend to move in within 60 days of closing. You can't use it for a vacation home. However, after you've lived there for at least a year, you can move out, keep the house, and turn it into a rental. This is a popular way to build a real estate portfolio. Ready to move? Here is your 2026 Florida VA checklist. 1. Get your certificate of eligibility. 2. Check your disability rating. 3. Find a VA-savvy realtor. And 4. Get pre-approved. You can't see a house in Florida without that letter in hand. You've served us. Now let this benefit serve you. The VA loan is your ticket to the Florida lifestyle you've earned. I'm Irina Talmachova, and I'll see you at the closing table.